Another good teacher was Tuti Kanaheri. I remember when I first met her, I just asked her, "Don't speak any English to me, just speak Hawaiian." So over here, used to have a big pile of mulch. That's how I learned the word kipulu. I would always kind of forget stuff too, or things would fly over my head because she would talk really fast. I thought I was ready, not quite. So she would say stuff like, "Lawe ke ki we o ke hare ma o, lawe me ke kipuku me kapala o wari ano ka mo mani ini ke pau kira o ki mau o ma o." And I was like, okay. I knew she gave me the key, so I knew I had to go open that up. And then I would sit there and I go, I know it's shovel. I grab the shovel. At the other thing, I don't know. So I had to go back. And she would go like, I was like, yeah, ke kipikua. Oh, yeah, a pickaxe. Ki o kira kipikua. Oftentimes, if I didn't get it, she would have to explain it again. And that's something I really appreciated from her. And I think I took as a teacher nowadays is be patient with your students. Sometimes you'll have to repeat. Sometimes you'll have to reiterate. And if you have good students and they're putting in the time, then you won't have to repeat it too many times and they'll get it.